This week I'm camping at a ski resort for the first time. Mt.Bachelor is having Rendezvan. It's a music festival camp out where you ski during the day and then they have music and folks are camping out. There's a lot of events going on at night. I wake up at midnight and my carbon monoxide alarm is going off.
Check in?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the first and last name? And then is there gonna be like an extra vehicle with you or? Yeah, that works. You got it. You get a swag bag too.
Okay.
So, heck yeah. Then 20 by 40.
Okay, thanks. I bought a last minute ticket on Facebook Marketplace from a guy that couldn't go. I got a swag bag. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh my gosh. A Rendezvan Yeti. Wow, this is nice. I had the best day riding. So much great snow. I'm so glad that I decided to come up this morning, and last minute I was feeling a bit FOMO about this Rendezvan festival and I was like, I should go. This is like, I think one of the only van life mountain festivals. I'm always trying to make new van life friends, so that's why I'm here. It's day one of Rendezvan and people are still coming in. It's been really cold, but we've had some intermittent clear skies like over there. Things are just getting started around here, but I got this osprey backpack, which is pretty cool. Morning. It's day 2 of Rendezvan and I had to move last night at midnight. I have a carbon monoxide alarm right by my door and I went to sleep at like 9 because I didn't get enough sleep the night before. So at midnight, I had my noise canceling headphones in and I was listening to rain sounds because my neighbors had both my neighbor like right behind me and my neighbor right beside me had their generator going. Well, I wake up at midnight and my carbon monoxide alarm is going off. And their generators are still going. Like since I'd gotten there at 2 p.m. from 2 to midnight, their generators were still running. Yeah, I hit the little thing and it wasn't a test. So I drove to another section of the festival and camped here last night. And I just kind of let some air go in and then the carbon monoxide alarm chilled out. But I didn't want to cross my fingers that everything was going to be okay. I thought that was quite rude that they kept their generators going till midnight. It's 7 o'clock right now. I'm getting ready to go snowboard for a little while. The lifts open at 8:30. I'm on the other side of the parking lot now. Let me show you. Somebody's got their snowman put up. That's cute. Okay, trying to get back to my truck. Oh, this doesn't seem too bad. It was bad. took a couple laps this morning and the snow is really icy right now, so I'm gonna get my work done and let the snow soften up and then come back out here. Propane, picked up some packages. Now I gotta get groceries, do some work, go back to the mountain. It's a busy day. Bend, Oregon is like the dog town. They were having a dog parade get started, so they had all the dogs getting ready. It was really cute and very on brand for the town.
Oh, and we got another cute contender coming in for a sexiest strut right here. Look at that beautiful tail waving in the wind. Give it up, everybody, everybody. And here comes Poppy strutting into the main stage area. Just looking absolutely gorgeous. She's got a strut fit for a dog show right there. All right, feast your eyes on Coco. All right, you're in for a special treat. We got two of the
A silent disco is where everybody gets headphones and there's multiple DJs that you can change between stations and dance to whatever station that you want to. It usually ends up being a popularity contest where everybody's headphones start changing together to the same color. It's really, really fun. It's day 3 of Rendezvan. And it was raining all night. Now we're getting some snow. I'm surprised I'm riding this morning. Woo! It's day 4 of Rendezvan, and I got no sleep last night. It's Monday. Yesterday, the mountain didn't run at all due to extreme winds. So I came back, I filled up my water, I did all my dishes, and I passed out early. Some of the best things from the event, I did the axe throwing, which was a lot of fun. I loved the silent disco, and they had a cool vintage VW bus to get pictures in. I think that it would have been nice to have camped with a group, but I didn't. And I didn't really walk around and I met a lot of people at fire pits, but I didn't really walk around and visit at different camps because it was so cold. It wasn't really hang out outside kind of weather. It was blizzard weather in early May. But I'm really glad I went. It was a ton of fun. Their headliners were great. The music was really good. And I think I'll probably be back next year. So hopefully I can find another discounted ticket because I really don't want to pay $350 for camping for the weekend. I think it's so cool that I have this camper. I've got everything with me, and then on a whim, I'm like, you know what? I want to be part of that festival, and I just drive. I did have to take a day and come back into town because I was out of propane and things like that. So I had to restock, but all in all, I had a great time. I guess, you know, I always think this is going to be the last festival for a while and then another one comes. So we'll see which one I go to next. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. This skier is trying to get his dog and he's like, no, I just want to play. I don't want to go home. Aw.